Yeah, it was a lot to go through. Like I said, we're proud people. I don't know what it's like in New Zealand these days, but I feel like there's a bit of a stigma in divorce in Canada. Again, like obviously now after the divorce I'm single, you know, I go out on dates and I bring it up, and like if you say, you know, coming out of a 10-year relationship, it's like, oh, I'm so sorry for you, you know, oh, that must have been hard. But then you're like, oh, I'm coming out of a 10-year divorce, and it's like, oh, what? Like you were married, you're divorced now, and it's the exact same thing. It's just, yeah, there's a different title on it, and all of a sudden it puts a different stigma on it. When it first happened, it was, oh, I was doom and gloom, I was down in the dumps, but then I kind of thought about it, I was like, a lot of people have gone through this, and you know, like if they can make it through, so can I. As hard as it is, I think you just have to try to get out of your own head sometimes. Like it's so easy to lock yourself away and bury yourself deep in your own head. There's such a stigma worldwide that men just have to do things alone and do it alone. Like we have people, everyone is there for you. You know, whether it be the smallest thing or the biggest thing, everyone, like we're happy to chat, you know, or friends are happy to be there for you, and family.